How to set up Fitbit Pay. To utilize Fitbit Pay, you will require a Fitbit device that is compatible with this feature. Currently, Fitbit Pay is supported on devices such as the Lonic and Versa smartwatches, as well as a Charge 3 fitness band. To get started with Fitbit Pay, follow these steps. 1. Launch the Fitbit app on your mobile device. Ensure that your device is within close proximity with when you are prepared to commence the setup process. 2. Navigate to the Today tab and tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. 3. Select your device. 4. Tap the wallet title. 5. Adhere to the on-screen instructions to include a payment card. You have the option to add a maximum of 6 cards to the wallet. 5. For Charge 3 and designate 1 as the default payment method. 6. During the initial card addition to Fitbit Pay, you will be promoted to establish a 4-digit PIN code for your device. Additionally, it's necessary to have an unlock passcode set on your phone. Next, proceed within the on-screen instructions to activate phone notifications.